Well, I got to tell you, I have never heard more hype about a campground than the one we are going to this weekend.
It's true. People love Anchor Down. It's ranked as one of the top RV parks in the U.S. You have to book way in advance, but everybody tells us it's worth it.
So we've got a buddy spot, which we were very lucky to get. We got a buddy spot, so our friends are coming up and they're going to park right there on the pad with us, so it should be a great week.
I'm so looking forward to seeing what all the hype is about.
I'm just traveling. I'm just traveling on.
Anchor Down is in East Tennessee in Dandridge near the Smoky Mountains. And let me tell you, Dolly was feeling right at home when we pulled in and saw that Smoky Mountain view. Look at that. It's obvious a lot of thought went into the layout of this park, so as many sites as possible have these outstanding views. Many of the sites have these cool stone fireplaces. Each one is a different pattern in stone. It's one of my favorite things about the park.
We are just about all set up and we're waiting on our friends to get here, but I can already tell you after being here for just a short while that this place already lives up to the hype. Look at that view of the Smoky Mountains and the lake.
This was our first time to book a buddy spot at a campground. It's where you can reserve 2 pads together. Longtime camping friends Russell and Tammy arrived just before dinner and finished setting up, while Marty and I prepared Philly cheesesteaks on the Blackstone.
Russell hanging the lights, Marty's got dinner going.
We're using thinly shaved steak, mushrooms, chopped bell peppers and onions, Montreal steak seasonings, provolone, and buttered hoagie rolls. We cooked all the vegetables first, then seared the seasoned steak with onions.
Looks amazing.
Thank you, Tammy.
After waking up in time to see an incredible sunrise over Douglas Lake, Tammy and I walked around to explore more of the park. The pool is large and clean with that same pretty lake view. If you like to enjoy the lake, there's plenty of sandy beach shore and seasonal water toys such as trampolines and slides. There's even a stationary food truck on site with surprisingly good options.
Okay, so Tammy and I have climbed up to the very top of the hill here at Anchor Down, and we're just talking about how awesome this place is. We have been friends from high school. These are our best camping buddies. We've been camping since before we had kids, really. All right.
About 25 years.
And you have been to more campgrounds than we have, and she has always wanted to come to Anchor Down.
We've been wanting to come here for years, but we could never get a spot. I mean, it's booked up constantly. So I don't know how you got so lucky.
I'm relentless. I'm always on the camping sites trying to find spots. We got a cancellation here for a buddy spot, and when I called you, you were super excited.
We were very excited.
We always plan some A+ campfire meals with the Martins. Russell grilled some delicious mahi-mahi with Brussels sprouts one night. On another night, we grilled chicken and flank steak for fajitas on the open fire, while we seared the vegetables on the Blackstone. Meanwhile, Marty came through with another Dutch oven dessert.
Oh my goodness, blackberry cobbler, that looks amazing.
Later in the week, we made our way down to the boat dock to take out the pontoon we rented. Anchor Down rents newer model pontoons for around $200 for half a day. Douglas Lake is beautiful, and by boat is a great way to see the Smoky Mountains, or just make a splash. Together is the best place to be, and the best place to be together is in the outdoors. Join us next time we're on the road with Dolly.